Hey everyone, this is Liz G. Today, magre-react tayo sa video ni Golden Retriever Boy.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have this line of beautiful beanies, and we'll also be bringing out an eligible bachelor one by one. So girls, kung napupusuan nyo yung nakikita nyo ang eligible bachelor or you're interested to get to know him more, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung hindi mo siya masyadong vibe, feeling nyo hindi kayo magmamatch, go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? All right, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! All right, here comes our first sexy single. Hello!
Hola.
Hi, so...
Hola. So, itong game na to, basically, pag hindi mo bet, meron kang hindi gusto sa kanya, ipapop mo yung balloon. By the way, it takes a lot of courage. Kasi harap-harapan talagang, alam mo yun, pag minsan kasi tayo, pag hindi tayo gusto ng isang tao, hindi natin nalalaman. So ito, as in bulgaran na talagang maririnig mo the moment you say something, meron talagang magpop-up ng balloon. So ito siya, viral video to kasi nakaka-cringe daw itong lalaking to. So tignan natin.
So tell us your name, your age, and your job.
Hola. Good afternoon. So,
Unang-una sa lahat, hola, good afternoon. Ano ka? Anong meron sa'yo?
my name is Josh and I'm 22 and I am a network engineer.
First impression, weirdo. Hindi sa weirdo na, alam mo yun, parang unusual weirdo. Hindi yung literal naman. Kasi parang, siguro hindi lang sanay yung mata natin sa lalaking napaka-arte. Napaka-arte kasi ng introduction niya. Meron siyang mga pagganon-ganon. Alam mo yun, yung vibe niya parang basta feeling ko ang arte-arte niyang lalaki.
At one of the highest respectable IT companies.
Pop
here in the
agad.
Philippines.
All right, so what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
What I do for fun, I was a former bassist at our band. I was an athlete, former taekwondo player. And what I like for fun is music because that is my outlet on what I feel. And I hope you could feel me too.
All right, so how about your ideal partner? Ano yung mga personality traits na hinahanap mo sa isang partner?
For me, my ideal trait is someone who reciprocates the hard R because I am
Someone who reciprocates the hard R, ha? Napaka-ano talaga niya. Napaka-arte talaga ng, basta parang feeling ko ang high standard niya na lalaki. So, hindi ko naman sinasabing hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng standard ng lalaki, pero parang siguro siguro nagigets ko kung bakit ang daming nagki-cringe kasi very unusual sa lalaki na sila yung maarte. Kasi 'di ba, syempre parang nasanay tayo na babae yung expressive, know what you want, ganito ganyan, tas yung the way din na dinideliver niya is napaka extra of sa how he communicates. So hindi ko alam kung ninenervyos siya or hindi ko siya matimpla.
a golden retriever boy, so I want some golden retriever gal. So if you would reciprocate, then you will get it.
Okay. And how about mga...
Okay, para sa mga nanonood, yung golden retriever na term is dinidescribe yung pinaka-personality ng tao. So, sabi niya, golden retriever boy daw siya. So, madalas natin itong nakikita sa social media. Like, yung lalaki, golden retriever, ganito. Parang ibig sabihin nun is, mostly parang you love people, you love, alam mo yun, napaka-happy-go-lucky. Kasi, di ba yung mga golden retriever na dogs, ganon. Very, parang, napaka-pleasing niya kasama, parang ganun, parang happy-happy. So, ang unang reaction dito is, Golden Retriever boy ka ba talaga? Parang hindi kasi. Parang napaka-entrada mo, napaka-taray mo agad.
Deal breakers mo, or if nalaman mo na ganito yung partner mo, ayaw mo na sa kanya?
What I want is honesty, I guess. And ang pinaka pala is the one who respects my time, because ayokong binabastos ka, bakit mo ako babastusan?
All right, thank you so much.
Come on.
All right, so as you can see, we have some pop balloons over here. So let's go over and ask.
Hi, I'm Samantha. I'm 29 years old and I'm a freelance actress. So I popped my balloon kasi when you mentioned you are a golden retriever guy. Well, hindi ko masasabi na I'm kung anong breed man ako ng dogs. But what I can say is that hindi ako super mabait. So, if ever there's a conflict between us, if ever lang, medyo may hirapan tayo doon. The way you talk, parang parang too mabait. I want something like, alpha, gano'n.
The way he talks, masyadong mabait. Parang hindi naman. Parang feeling ko, the way he talks, masyado siyang maarte. Parang kung jowa mo siya, ang daming bawal. Yun yung feeling ko sa kanya.
So, sorry.
All right, and is she someone who's your usual type, or someone you would go out on a date with?
Sure.
Sure.
Okay, so even if sinabi niya na hindi siya golden retriever gal, like maybe she's more of a chihuahua or something. Someone feisty or...
Let's say this is just a facade, but I could make you one. So, yeah, sure.
Ha? I could make you one? Ha? Pakaano talaga.
All right, thank you so much.
Nagpinag-pop ng
Hi,
balloon.
I'm Pao. I'm 28 years old, currently a clinical clerk in the medical field. So I popped my balloon as soon as I heard his age. So I don't really date younger guys talaga. Yun.
Okay, and is she someone who's your usual type, or would you go out on a date with her?
No.
Any particular reason kung bakit?
Let's just say the vibe isn't giving. So, sure.
It's not giving.
Yes.
Could you be more specific? Like,
Someone.
Wait lang. Tawang-tawa ako din. Yung naunang babae, yung naka-block. Tingnan mo yung expression niya. Parang minimimik niya kung gaano ka-arte si lalaki. So, parang, I'm sorry for the, I don't know if may ma-offend, pero he really has this gay vibe. I don't know, parang ako lang ba? Pero napaka-extra niya eh. Parang he's more feminine and napaka-arte niya the way he speaks. So, he's giving a gay vibe. Not that pangit yon. Of course, okay lang naman. Pero, kasi parang wag mo nang i-confuse yung mga babae dito. Parang feeling ko, lalaki naman yata yung gusto mo. Dude, ewan ko sa'yo, parang mas ma-offend ka dapat doon sa naunang babae na sinabing ganito, hindi kayo match kasi ganito. Tapos yung second girl, yung sinabi lang niya is she doesn't want younger guy. Dapat parang hindi ka ma-offend doon, pero parang hindi ko sure, parang yung i-reaction kasi niya na parang no. Parang ang taray, parang nakakabastos na parang mong denigrade yung babae na parang the vibe isn't giving, parang ganun. Well, hindi, reaction ko lang naman to, no, pero parang napakabastos nung reaction niya. Tapos yun na nga, hindi makaget over yung babae yung nauna. Tignan mo yung reaction niya, parang minimimik niya yung paka-arte nitong lalaking to.
Needs to level up with my sass, with my class. So, sure, I don't see it that way. I'm so sorry.
Wait.
So I don't really date younger guys.
Rewind.
Talaga. Yun.
okay, and is she someone who's your usual type, or would you go out on a date with her?
No.
Any particular reason kung bakit?
Let's just say the vibe isn't giving. So, sure. sure.
It's not giving.
Yes.
Arte mo.
Could you be more specific? Like,
Someone needs to level up with my sass, with my class. So, sure, I don't see it that way.
Someone has to level up with my class, my sass. Arte mo, boy. Kaloka, arte. Kaarte mo. Cringe talaga sa im. I can't. I don't know. Someone, arte mo.
I'm so sorry.
alright. And would you like to say anything in response to that?
That's not very golden retriever of you.
Boom.
Let's just say I'm just a switch. So, yeah.
Okay.
Let's
Thank you
just
so
say
much.
So hi, my name is Jeannie.
Atik
I'm
ka.
23 and I'm a barista. So the age doesn't matter to me kasi kahit mas mabata siya. But siguro the reason that I popped the balloon was I really liked how you spoke. Like parang you bring your courage. Like sobrang open mo lang. Pero kasi siguro dun sa part din na golden retriever guy ka. Tapos ako kasi hindi ko rin kasi nasasabi na golden retriever girl ako. Or like, at times siguro. Pero parang mas gusto ko yung contrast pa rin siya. And feel ko there would be like some conflicts with us kapag ganun. Parang hindi ko mabibigay yung mga priority, ganun. And siguro there's din yung height din for me kasi gusto ko rin siguro mas mataas mas matangkad lang ng konti. But nonetheless, okay lang din siya. Thank you.
Okay, and do you want to say anything in response to that?
To be honest, the one that I see is I don't like golden retriever guys. Okay.
So you just accept it as it is?
Sure. We have different preferences, and sure, I respect that. But yeah, it is. It is what it is.
All right, and is she someone you would go out on a date with, or someone who's your usual type?
By the way, anong ganap mo sa paghawak ng microphone? Ano ba yan? Ano ba, may germaphobe ka ba? Ayusin mo nga. Nakakaloka.
Same answer, no.
Any particular reason why?
Let's just say the sass isn't there, but mindset, I guess.
The sass isn't there. Nagkikringe yung babae naka-black.
From what I've seen and what I've heard, let's say I'm judging it already, but yeah, it won't really work out.
What kind of sass are you looking for in an ideal partner?
Feeling ko, I'm sorry, hindi siya bakla, guys. Feeling ko gusto lang niya na yung girlfriend niya is ka-level niya sa, yung ka-vibe niya. So, I think the perfect girlfriend for him is younger Chris Aquino. Yeah. Perfect kayong dalawa.
Let's just say I'm pretty much sabihin na lang nating I'm a very judgy person.
Halata. Boy, halata.
As I've said, this golden retriever is just a facade. Para lang umakit na
So ano yung
parang natutulala yung ibang contestant. So, parang inaamin niya na facade lang talaga yung golden para maka-attract na kunwari happy-go-lucky siya. Parang inamin niya na facade lang kasi talagang honestly wala sa itsura, wala sa vibe mo yung golden retriever. Sinisira mo yung pangalan ng golden retriever. Parang feeling ko black cat, black yung any animal na napaka ganon, feeling ko ganon ka. Yun yung personality mo, dude.
actual mo na breed kung hindi golden retriever pala? Like in the front, baka siya yung chihuahua pala. Because I'm a chihuahua breed, I think.
Just say I'm much of a Doberman.
Okay, Doberman.
Of course.
Is that more like feisty ba ang Doberman
Yes,
compared
feisty.
to?
Isipin mo na lang kung saan maging feisty up in your imagination.
Oh my gosh.
So, it is what it is. So yeah, I think it won't really match for me.
Okay.
For me.
Would you like to say anything in response to that?
Gusto ko rin naman na may sarili na siyang preference. So, it's okay, nonetheless din kung magkaroon man ng anything, no hard feelings din. Thank you.
Gibaklainin siya talaga, gibaklai.
All right, thank you so much.
I'm Bea. I'm 27 years old and I'm also a barista. The reason why I popped the balloon, yun, aged nga din. Tapos, dun sa golden retriever facade niya, hindi ko gets bakit kailangan mo sabihin na facade yan, tapos sasabihin mo Doberman ka. It's like, niloloko mo lang kami, niloloko mo lang yung sarili mo.
True. Feeling ko nga hindi lang golden retriever yung facade niya. Feeling ko pati identity niya, facade niya lang din. Boy, umamin ka na. Umamin ka na. Nararamdaman ko yung yung mga pilantik ng joke.
So, wala
Si
po
ate,
akong
tawang-tawa.
makitang any, parang hindi ko magets. So, yun, sa SAS, okay. At least may
Okay.
preference naman siya, yun. Yun lang po. Yun.
And do you want to explain further so they understand it more?
Oh, well, it's a statistic that there are multiple, yun yung parang pinakagusto via girls, by what I've experienced. But, yes, of course, just to get to know someone. So, sure. Preferences, yes. Sass, yes. And, you're pretty, yun lang.
So she is someone that you would have gone out on a date with, or type mo siya?
Type, yes. Going out, not really.
Any reason why?
Let's just say, I think she's a too high maintenance for me. I mean, I told you I'm a pretty.
Nag-cheer yung ibang girls. Kasi pag sinabing high maintenance, ibig sabihin, yung appearance mo is, you looked very maintained, kumbaga. So, siguro parang the way she dresses or compliment yan, parang ganun.
Judgy guy. So, basing from her looks, from her style, and from the way he brings herself, pretty much up in the higher echelon of, like, let's say, nakakataas.
Would you like to say anything in response to that?
Hindi na. Lagi ko naman nagkuha yung high maintenance, so okay lang. Ayan, so, yun lang po.
Okay, thank you so much.
I'm
Ayaw niya
Ellie, 27 years
mag-comment.
old, corporate accountant. Nag-pack po ako ng balloon because the age is not giving for me.
Okay. Giving what?
It's giving too young vibes. Too old for a 22-year-old guy.
All right.
He actually looks older than that girl. Bata pala si kuya.
Would you like to say anything in response to that?
Sure. Age is preference of others. Some like it young, some like it older. And I pretty respect yours.
And is she someone who's your usual type, or would you go out on a date with her?
Not really.
Is there any particular reason why?
I think too skinny for me.
So your usual type is more...
Actually, it's nasa bit chubbier. Just a tiny little bit.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Ali. I'm 28 years old.
Ayan, bagay kayo.
I work at an ad agency. So actually, I popped it because, yun nga.
Sorry, explain ko lang. Kaya ako sinabing bagay sila kasi nag-viral din yung video nitong babaeng to. Gagawa tayo ng isang reaction video. Daming nag-cringe sa kanya din kasi she rejected this parang bachelor kasi I'm an Englishera, baka ma-overwhelm ka sa akin. So parang medyo may pagkaano din to. Ganyan na nga, sabi ko, bagay sila.
Younger and in terms of height. But then I was gonna ask for a balloon back because taekwondo, I used to do taekwondo then before, and you said you were a golden retriever. I'm also a golden retriever. But the thing is, I'm looking for
Reaction ng iba, bagay kayo talaga. Kayo na.
someone na black cat energy. Because I am very overwhelming as a person. I have high energy. Like, everyone knows this. So I feel like baka ma-overwhelm ka sa akin or something like that. So I can be a bit too strong sometimes. So, yeah.
And is there anything you'd like to say in response to that?
Directly tapatin na kita, to be honest. I had sights on you. Sadly, it didn't work out for you. The energy, I can tolerate. I can tolerate all the rageness in my body, but I can make space for you. That's it.
Ayun naman pa.
Yung mannerism bang tawag dyan? Basta parang napaka-arte niyang lalaki talaga.
Wala. Golden Retriever guy and Golden Retriever gal. Are you sure you don't want your balloon back?
I'm okay. Black cat talaga. Sorry.
Black cat ang hanap mo.
Yeah, pero black cat. Yeah.
Ano ba yung black cat? Kasi parang yung totoong itim na pusa, parang mas fit sa kanya. Hindi siya Golden Retriever or Doberman. Parang feeling ko black cat siya. Kasi parang ganon. Parang ano yung mga pusa kasi? Yung mga pusa ang tataray. Yun yung parang perception ko sa pusa. They're sweet, pero parang most of the time, maano sila. Yun na nga, sabi niya, diba? Sassy. Parang feeling ko pusa tong lalaking to. Bakit ayaw niya? Kasi black cat yung hanap niya. Feeling ko black cat to. Tingnan mo yung joke, wag na. Baka mabash tayo.
But you're a Golden Retriever gal.
I'm a golden retriever.
Okay. you're golden. Alright. Okay, thank you so much.
I just like to say, baka kasi mag-end na to. Sabihin ko na kasi baka makalimutan kong sabihin. Napaka hirap ng generation na yon sa mga, meron pa kayong mga pa-golden retriever, meron pa kayong mga hindi ba, alam mo, sa time namin, napakasimple lang. Wala naman kaming ganitong harap-harapan, no? Pero, yung mga criteria dati, napakasimple lang. Gusto mo siya kasi gwapo. Gusto mo siya kasi maganda. Gusto mo siya kasi matangkad or sporty or talented. Ayaw mo siya. Bakit? Kasi bobo. Palaging 0 sa quiz. Ayaw mo siya kasi may putok. Parang ganun lang. Napaka-objective lang dati ng mga natin. Choices. Ngayon, may mga dinamay nyo pa yung mga hayop na lab ng lahat. Dinamay nyo pa sa mga ganito-ganito ninyo. Parang nakukonfuse tuloy yung, kasi syempre, pag sabihin mong black cat energy, ano ba yung black cat? Sa inyo, yung black cat ganito. Baka sa iba, yung black cat nila, mischievous. 'Di ba? So, minsan pag hindi mo pwedeng i-box din yung personality sa isang hayop kasi yung hayop iba-iba din naman, depende din naman yung behavior nila sa owners nila. So, ang dami yung hanash. Sana mas simple na lang. Ayoko sa kanya kasi parang napaka-arte niyang lalaki, tas yung paghawak niya ng mic, paano niya parang meron ba siyang rayuma? Ganon lang sana. Meron pa kayong black cat. Tapatin nyo na lang kung anong ayaw nyo.
Hello, I'm Jen. I'm 26 years old and then I work in the advertising industry. So basically, I have the same reasons with the other girls. First is because he's younger. Second is I prefer guys who are taller. And then the third one is
si ate. Kasi gawa ng parang last na yata siya. Meron na siyang parang na-practice na niya lahat ng sasabihin niya. Tingnan mo parang nag-enumeration.
I radiate more on the black cat energy versus golden retriever, so I don't think it's a right match.
Wait lang nga. I-search nga natin ano yung black cat energy. Bear with me. I-search nga natin yan. Black cat energy is a personality type often associated with women characterized by being independent, mysterious, and knowing their worth, preferring to be sought after rather than chasing. Independent, self-reliant, mysterious, elusive, knows their worth, loyal, protective, cautious, reserved, not arrogant. While they know their worth, they are not arrogant or boastful. Hindi talaga siya black cat. Oo, kasi si kuya parang siya medyo, yun na nga, sabi niya judgy siya.
Given his preferences when it comes to choosing a partner. That's it.
Do you have anything to say in response?
it's fine because I'm allergic to cats as well. And ayun lang.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Alam mo nang... Ay, nako. Ang dami niyang palusot, no?
She radiate kind of Mika-like vibe. So, it's sad it didn't work out. But it's fine. Thank you for saying your thoughts.
But if ever, is she your type or someone you would go out on a date with?
Oh, definitely.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bakit nakaganon si ate? Parang, don't pick me. Ayoko makipag-date sa'yo.
So unfortunately, all of the balloons have popped, but thank you so much for joining us. And I hope that you can join us again for future episodes.
So, that's it. Ang reaction natin kay Golden Retriever Boy ay talagang, I'm sorry, nakaka-cringe talaga siya. Siguro, hindi ko sure, is it me or talagang, pero hindi ko ma-imagine yung partner ko ngayon kung kakamit pa lang namin, tas ganun siya. Like, hi, hello, okay, kasi ganun siya eh. So, parang, initially talaga, ano siya, parang unusual for a guy na mas maarte pa sa'yo. Yun na lang. Sorry for the word, pero, I don't know if he's gay, but the vibe is really gay. And I don't mean to offend anyone, pero alam mo yun, yung parang sure ka, naghahanap ka ng kadate dito and girlfriend. Parang feeling ko naghahanap ka ng BFF na makakasama mo sa chismisan. Parang ganun kasi yung, alam mo yun. Of course, we love our gay friends and family, etc. Pero kasi syempre dating game siya, 'di ba? Yung premise dun is maghahanap ka ng girlfriendin. Tapos ganun. So parang hindi ko sure. Feeling ko best friend yung mahahanap mo dun. Pero kung talagang gusto mong mag-girlfriend tapos ganyan ka. Siguro kung sayang kasi yung anak ni Chris Aquino kasi si Bimbi, hindi naman siya babae. Pero kung may babaeng, kung merong younger version si Chris Aquino, hindi ko sure, baka pwede kayong pwede kayong magjowa-jowaan. Pero kasi talaga, I'm sorry, sa perspective ng babae, kasi parang, syempre, kami yung emotional, kami yung maarte, kami yung, hindi, kaya nga nagmamatch yung lalaki at babae. Kasi balance. So, parang imagine kung pareho kayong, I don't know, ang haba na ng closing ko, no? Pero, yun na nga, hindi ko sure kung ano ba talaga yung talagang totoong personality niya. Pero sabi niya, facade lang yung Golden Retriever Boy. Kung ano pa man yung facade mo na parang nagpe-pretend kang ganito pero iba, whatever it is, well, wag na. Magpakatotoo ka na lang, I hope na seriously, although initially talaga yung mga tao nag-cringe, pero sana wag kang magpa-apekto ng sobra sa mga reactions kasi normal lang naman yung mga reactions din yun. And sa mga nanonood din naman, kung mapanood mo yung video ko, wag naman sobra naman yung pangbabash. Grabe naman kayo, tao din yan. Okay? Pwede nyo naman sabihin na cringe, pero wag na yung extracurricular na mga na mga comments na sobrang nakaka-degrade. So, hanap tayo ng iba pang videos to react, and kung meron kayong request, just comment. Thank you for watching. Bye! See ya!